Welcome to the Friends of Medieval Dublin virtual walking tour. This video is about Castle Street at the heart of medieval Dublin. Your guide is Linzi Simpson.
I'm standing here at Castle Street. Quite a sad sight really. Hard to believe this is the original medieval street running from Castle Street. The castle is just down there on the right hand side, running all the way along the spine of the ridge towards High Street. That was Christchurch Place, previously known as Skinner's Row. So you can see that it follows the contours of the city. We have Christchurch on the right hand side, famous space. But this was really the very centre of medieval Dublin and the centre of the Doon, the 10th century Doon. The banks extended along to the end of that hill there. That was the southern end of them. Moving eastwards down towards Dublin Castle, the banks were on that side. They came curling around by Lower Exchange Street to run through Wood Quay. And that's the big tall glass building that you see there. That's where the line of the banks came. We're not sure about the western side of the defences. We've never found them. There was a test pit done in Christchurch. There may be a bank in that location, but that's the obvious place because there's no way the Doon would have been unenclosed. This is the very, very centre of Dublin. And you can see the position the Wood Quay offices held in relation to Christchurch right on its doorstep.